Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power and connectivity are stable, plug in your phone or confirm it's above 50%, and join a strong Wi-Fi network. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Software Update or System Update so you don't waste time. You should also trigger a quick backup now, because updates can overwrite settings. This step protects your data. Make sure storage is sufficient so the download won't fail. Clear space if needed. Then tap Check for updates to begin. You'll see available updates listed. Tap Download and watch the progress bar. While it downloads, read the release notes to understand security fixes and new features, because that explains why the update matters. When the download finishes, the system may verify integrity. Do not interrupt this. Accept any prompts or permissions and keep the phone plugged in and on Wi-Fi. That prevents interrupted installs. If the update needs extra space, free up at least 1/4 of the storage. Before proceeding to you initiate install by tapping Install Now. The phone will prepare and then reboot into its update routine, so expect several minutes of progress screens. During this phase, don't power off. Letting it finish avoids corruption. Once the update completes, follow any quick setup prompts, check settings about to confirm the new version, and test key apps. If the install stalls or fails, perform a safe restart and ensure sufficient free storage. Then retry the update, which often resolves transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.